Okay, now how can you filter photos by size on the iPhone? At first, let me begin by saying that it's a bit more complicated and it doesn't work the way that I would imagine it to. So yeah, we have some limitations here. However, if you open up the camera or the Photos app like this, you can easily just click on a photo and get to the more information panel, like click on the eye, and you will see exactly how large the file is. So this one is 2 megabytes. So if this helps you with something, then I guess it's okay, but you don't really have any filtering options when it comes to size inside of the photos. So you can go to the filter, but you can only just filter them by the favorites, edited, and photos. So that's okay, I guess. However, this is not the only thing which is available to you. So if I, for example, go to my iPhone sections, if I want to filter those photos by size, what I can do is I can just select them like this and hit share, and I'm gonna save them to my files. So I'm gonna click on save to files like this, and let's say I choose this folder. So I just click in here and it's not gonna be on iCloud, so I'm gonna come back and go to my iPhone and go in this folder, and I'm gonna save it in here. That's okay. Right now I'm gonna leave the Photos app, go to the files on my iPhone and find where I put it. So I put it to this app for whatever reason. And as you are in this section, here the Files app allow you to filter photos by size. So click on the 3 dots. Now just choose the list and select size. So when you click on size, you can see that it's going to filter them by the size. So this one is 4.2 megabytes and it gradually goes lower to 2.3 megabytes. So now the photos are sorted based on the size. So this is how you can do it. Well, it would be nice if the option was available inside of the Photos app, the built-in method, but you can still use the files and it's okay. You can still delete the photos afterwards from the files if you don't really need them anymore. But just to know which photos are like how large, then the files are really good for it. So that's what I wanted to show you. That's the stuff that I wanted to explain. If you found this video useful, hit a thumbs up. But before you leave, I need to show you the Foxtecc educational platform, which you can join for free. It's going to be linked down below, and there you can learn about your iPhone in terms of like video editing and in-depth iPhone guides and stuff like this. So go ahead and check it out right now. It's going to be linked down below in the description. Thanks a lot for watching for now. See you guys later.